What's going down, y'all? It's your boy. I'm back, and it's been a minute since I made a video, but I just wanted to chime in with y'all just to give y'all a quick update on what's been going on and what I've been doing. So, for the past several months, I've been studying for a nutrition exam, sports nutrition specific, actually. If you guys didn't know, I'm in the fitness industry, and that's what I do. I have been going over this nutrition certification to add to my resume. I'm not too big on certifications, actually. You have to pay a lot of money for these certifications and everything, and I'm just not really into that. What I value more is actually learning in the field, kind of like what we do with cars. You know, we get our hands dirty, we learn a lot of things by getting our hands dirty, digging deep, getting into it, asking questions, things like that. And that's what I feel exactly about the fitness industry. Same thing. If I can go out there and learn from somebody, learn what I need to know, apply that to my craft. However, I felt like this specific one would kind of hold some weight and some value to what I'm doing. So that's what I've been studying for. Anyways, to make a long story short, the test was yesterday and I failed the damn test. Seriously, I failed the test. And you know those tests that like you study and you take all this time to study and put all this time and effort to learn all this scientific mess and everything that you're not going to even use probably 3/4 of it in the field, and you get to the test and half the stuff that's on the test you didn't even review in your studies. And I was like, man, like probably about 20% into the test, I'm like, I might fail this test because I didn't know like any of the questions. A good amount I did, and some of them I had my streaks where I was like, okay, I know this, I know this, I know this, but there were some like I had no idea, and I was literally guessing on a lot of these answers. And if I would have passed, I would have been like, yo, that would have been a miracle if I passed it. So I have no idea what's up. The cool thing is they give you a breakdown of where you succeeded as far as like what different subjects you succeeded in and what ones that you didn't. So I'm gonna go over the two that I didn't do well in. I'm just gonna kind of just study those, and you can retake the test. However, you have to pay $100 to retake it. And luckily, I'm ahead of the game because my job that I work for, my employer actually paid for the test. I just have to pay if I need to let me back up. My employer actually paid for the whole certification, and that thing was like $500-600. However, if I need to retest, then I'd pay that out of my own pocket. So I'm ahead of the game in regards to that, but it still sucks because I gotta pay $100 now to retest. So I think what I'm gonna do is retake the test and at the end of September to give me a solid month to kind of go over this material, try to get it down, and hopefully pass it. Sad thing is, y'all, the sad thing is I was 5 correct questions I needed to get a passing grade. 5. I was 5 questions off. And I'm like, man, you gotta be kidding me. So I gotta pay another $100 to take the test again and to get 5 more questions right. Man, y'all, this certification better be worth $100 for 5 questions. That's what I'm saying. But anyways, so that's what I've been doing, y'all. I've been on my grind, really trying to just make that happen, and you know, it would help further my career and further things that I do in my field, because now I can apply that to not only fitness related and as far as like losing weight, things like that, but also just writing like nutrition plans and giving people advice as far as like what to eat, the timing of everything and what to eat and all that stuff. So anyway, so if y'all are looking for something like that, definitely hit up your boy, let me know. I apply a lot of this stuff similar to how I work on cars. It's like, you know, you use good parts, you put good stuff in your car, you do the work, you take care of it, you do the time, your car's gonna run good, it's gonna look good, all that good stuff. Same thing applies with fitness, y'all, and health and fitness. If you take care of your body, if you put good stuff in it, performance is gonna come out good, and just life in general, y'all, you're just gonna feel good, look good, everything's gonna be great. If you put crap in your body, that kind of stuff, you're just gonna feel like crap, and your body's just going to deteriorate and not do well. So everything I do in regards to health and fitness is the same principles and everything I apply into my passion as far as what cars go. So if y'all need some motivation in regards to anything outside of cars as far as health and fitness go, let me know, man. I'm your boy, and this is what I do for a living. This is what I do every single day. I help probably 100 to 200 people a day in regards to changing their lives, y'all. So anyways, If y'all looking for something like that, let me know. The time has come now to get back to working on cars, and I'm gonna really start cranking down in the Chevelle, y'all. So the Chevelle is actually in the back of my house. I only have, my attached garage to my house is only big enough for one car, so I have the Caprice in there right now. Since it broke down, I just put it in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Caprice out, move the Chevelle into the driveway, into the garage, so that way I can back it in and out and work on it. The weather here has been gorgeous, and I'm getting anxious to get out there and do something in this nice weather while we still have it before it gets cold, wet, and rainy and all that stuff. So I'm really trying to take advantage of this nice weather and really get down to working on the Chevelle, and trying to get as much as I can done before it starts getting cold and all that. So stay on the lookout for that, y'all. More to come. I'm gonna actually take out the Chevelle tomorrow, and so I'm gonna try to get a video of me moving it out, moving it in the garage, in the driveway, and then I'll kind of give you a reboot of kind of where the Chevelle is at right now and what all I need to do to kind of take steps into the right direction as far as this restoration goes. So stay tuned, y'all. Be on the lookout. It's coming. The Chevelle build project side chick is going down, and actually my girl, it was funny, my girl was actually on board with calling it side chick, y'all. So she's totally on board. She's like, you gotta get a license plate and everything and all that. So she's cool, y'all. I'm definitely blessed that I have her. And not only that, she actually helps me out with a lot of this stuff as far as these builds go. She'll come out and be like, you need help with anything? She's not afraid to get her hands dirty, and that's phenomenal, y'all. So if y'all got a girl like that, y'all, you know what I'm talking about. You know how helpful that can be, especially, you know, if you do actually need some help doing something. It's always nice to have an additional hand. So anyways, deuces, stay tuned, and I'll holla later.